Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to reset network settings on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. A network reset will erase all your network settings, including your Wi-Fi connections, mobile data, and other network settings. So, make sure you have backup important data such as Wi-Fi settings and password before proceeding. Okay, to get it, you can do this step. First thing first, please go to the settings menu on your device. After that, please scroll down. Then please enter to the general management menu. And then click reset option. After that, here you can click reset network settings. Okay, and then click reset settings. And before you reset, here there will be the following statement. Okay, after that, please click reset below. And so now the network on your device is successfully reset. That's the tutorial on how to reset network settings on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.